Hey Jacksons, you're welcome back to the channel. And of course, I'm going to move straight right into the point of this video. But after I'm done talking, there is still the video attached where the people I'm talking about are going to speak up and stuff. So as expected, after every eviction, just like it is expected of after the show was rounded up 2 days ago, we knew that there was going to be hosted Twitter spaces, Instagram spaces for the finalists, you know, by DSTV and, you know, whatever people that are in charge just for the finalists. Now, we had one particular session yesterday that had Yvonne, ipeleng, Tsatsi and Ebubu up on ground. And then, of course, Ebubu was asked the questions of what was up with him and JP, like was it just friendship or is it something he wants to pursue, he would like them to pursue. He said initially it started as a friendship, but now he is hoping for better. He is planning and saying like he is open if she wants them to push something further. And I'm like, for the fact that this guy has been saying it a lot of times, it's giving me two vibes. He's either going to do it just because people want them to be shipped, or he genuinely has been lonely and he needs someone like JP by his side, somebody crazy. And I'm like, okay, I see what you're doing, Daddy. It's giving. Anyways, moving on from that, then they had to ask Tati a question as to what she honestly feels about Kanaga Jr. Like, why they were asking is that the fact that she had to nominate Kanaga Jr. up for eviction at least once, and then she was like, no, she's tired of this narrative. She needs it to end right now. So she had to call Ebubu's name. He answered, and she said, our tactics in the show was divide and conquer. We each bring who we want to be up for eviction, and the other person respects it at each time. So I brought up this person, and Ebubu brought up Kanaga. I was not the one who nominated Kanaga, it was Ebubu. And when Ebubu was asked, he started laughing and said, oh, well, it is a game. I'm like, oh my God. And here I was blaming Tati. You even lied to Big Brother that it was Tati's choice to make. I am so disappointed. I am so disappointed. Maybe he was trying to just let Big Brother and us know that, you know, if Tati wanted to fight the fact that he nominated Kanaga, she would have, and he would have respected it. But I'm like, I know that at the back of your mind, you're jealous of their relationship. Duh. Anyways, here's the video. And can we just talk about the elephant in the room? Yes, Marvin. Since the last show, the finale of the Big Brother Titans season 1, 2 days ago, we've not seen anything of Marvin getting close to Kanaga Jr. in any way, even with the numerous live streams that he's been doing with Yaya. However, he has been quite close with Tsatsi. A live stream they did later yesterday. There were multiple live streams. They were talking and taking pictures. There was Mmeli, there was Tati, there was, of course, Yaya, there was Nelissa, who was talking about the lingerie that Yaya got her for her birthday. There was Luke, who was denying that he doesn't have a wife. There was Marvin, of course, who was live streaming. And then he kept, you know, having Tati by his side, as he would say, oh my God, guys, look at Yaya. Guys, look at Tati, hugging her, grabbing her with his hand around her body. And I'm like, excuse you, she belongs to someone. She's someone's girl. What are you doing? But of course, we want to see drama even outside of the house. But let's just be careful.
Something in the future.
Okay.
That's quite professional.
Yes. These are brands, okay?
Yeah.
Have your answer, okay? And then one more.
Okay.
The other one is for Ebubu. And this one, Ebubu, the question is regarding your early relationship with JP or friendship. And they want to know if there was anything romantic going on there, and is there something that you're planning to do for her after this, or is it just friendship?
Okay, I would say it started as friendship, but I am open and I'm
Hey,
Hey,
boo boo. Let's just let her speak.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
But
thank you. Okay.
There is a
Ebubu,
question
thank
though
you.
for Tsatsi. When you're done, Sissy, I could just
Sure, you
ask
can
her.
shoot. Go right ahead.
Okay. So Tsatsi, are you there?
Yes, babe, I'm here.
Okay, so there is a question from one of our listeners, okay? And it's about the obvious, obviously. They want to know what's really going on between you and Kanaga Jr. Obviously, they wanted to know, like, because, I mean, during the show, sometimes you nominate him, you'll be very strategic. So they want to know, like, what's going on?
Ebubu, before I answer, Ebubu,
Yes.
let's clarify this, all right? Can we just sit down and clarify this? Because you know how you and I worked, right? So it's always been divide and conquer. So every time we go into the every time we go into the diary room, the thing that we would do is that you pick one pair and I pick the other pair. You understand? Which was how we agreed that it's only fair. Remember? And
Yes.
Can you just clarify to people that you are the one that that brought up Kanaga? Can you just put it out there?
So, Ebubu, over to you.
It's a game.
Yes, we do understand it's a game, but, you know, most times fans are always in their feelings. They don't tend to understand these things.
So just to clarify, Tsatsi, are you saying that you never ever nominated Kanaga? Like I said, it was divide and conquer. So it was, okay, which group are you nominating? And I said this. Ebubu, which pair are you nominating? And he said Kanaga, which was only fair. I cannot go against the people that Ebubu wanted to nominate or anything like that. Do you know what I mean? So, because at the end of the day, it's 50-50 and I respect how he chooses to play his game. Yeah.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Thanks very much for clarifying that. I'm sure that satisfies the questions that our listener asked. So I believe we can get back to our listeners.
Tell them. Ingudu. Okay, Ingudu. Yes, no, but I'm saying do. Okay, Indu. Say do. Just say do. Say do. Just say do. No. Do. Do. Ngudu. Go. Yes, let's take pictures together. Yeah. You already know. I'm so excited. Guys, he's being wild. Drinking mum from a bottle. He's wilding. This is not the Heineken right now. It's good. This is not a weekend. It's a good day. Is this a problem with Zulu men, guys? There's nothing wrong with Zulu men. You can't take them anyway. There is no problem with Zulu men. You can't take them anyway. Look at this one. Tsatsi, you got to ask about Tsatsi. There she is. Tsatsi. Guys. Yo.
Asking about me.
Yes. Man, you see, they're not the top 3 years. Yo, top 3 in the house. You already know.
Top 2 finish.
Yo.
Wait, guys.
Hey.
You know, Mama, I don't want to spilling on me.
Tsatsi. How about your people? Huh?
Is you taking over my life for me?
You already know. You already know.
Guys, okay, fine, please. And you know, black people always ask me about that on my life.
Really? Yeah, they be asking, they're like, where's Tsatsi?
Really?
When you are telling?
You know I'm mad at Tsatsi. That's why they keep asking. Me, I love you.
Exactly.
I love you. You're even popping a bottle for me.